Welcome back to my channel. I have another Dollar Tree haul to share with you guys. There's quite a few items, a lot of household items too, so we're going to get that boring stuff out of the way first. I got some aluminum foil. It's 40 square feet. I like this foil. I got some of these colorful multi-purpose clips for chips and frozen veggie bags. Anything like that that needs to be clipped off to stay fresh. I got a tube of this crazy glue, 2 of the Bowl Fresh deodorizers for the toilet. I got some Good Sense zipper seal freezer storage bags. I got some of the Scotties brand facial tissues. I got a Mega My Size 210 paper towels, 2 bath tissues. Got some foam plates. Got my favorite Palmolive Soft Touch blueberry and almond dish soap. I got my favorite Good Scent handles kitchen bags. I love these. And I got several packages of batteries, 2 AAAs, 1 C battery, and 3 AAs. Connor got some stuff for his birthday that has that battery, so I picked up a ton of those. Plus we use them in our Xbox controllers. They work pretty good, and they're Sunbeam brand. Picked up a few food items, a bag of these Brims cheese balls. This is 9 ounces for $1, and it says they are baked cheese snacks. So I got these, and I got one of these 4-pack ring pops. And we got some of the sweet and sour Tootsie, a bunch of those Tootsie Pops, and warmer weather is upon us, so we picked up some of these cool pops, and you get 16 for $1. You really can't beat this deal, and there's 8 different flavors in this box. Couple random items. I got this beautiful lavender bin, and I'm using this for my sister's baby shower this March. I got coordinating pink and purple stuff to go in here for her. She is having a girl, and so all that's exciting. So I also got this beautiful fabric like placemat, and I'm gonna film on top of this. Before I forget, I did get a couple fun outside activity stuff for Connor. We got this watermelon kite. Picked him up this Backyard Travels bug catching kit. You get 3 pieces in here, a net, tweezers, and a container. He's a boy. I just thought this would be fun for him to do an activity outside and catch different bugs and look at them. And I thought he would really enjoy this. Also, I do have a couple items that I wanted to insert pictures of while I'm thinking of them. The coffee mug shelf I did, and there was some swatch pictures or something also. So if you're watching this haul and thinking about the last haul I did, I am inserting those pictures now of the swatch stuff and the shelving that I redone the cabinet. So I will insert that now. Oh, doesn't it make such a pretty background, you guys? So pretty. This also, I went through the stationery aisle as well. And I found these from the Ink brand. They're the Just Right pens. They have the grip on them, and they're colored ink. And hopefully, I really like the smooth writing kind of pens. So I'm really hoping that these work out. It says these are hybrid ink pens. I don't know about all that jazz, but they look pretty. So grab those. Now on to some stuff I grabbed from my sister's basket. I did grab this 2-pack of baby socks. I just thought they were so darling with the elephant on there. And I grabbed this pacifier that says Princess. And I like that it has the safety kind of cap on there as well. For when you're packing these around and stuff like that. I always really enjoyed these when Connor was a baby. Now, beauty items, bathroom kind of items that we needed. I got a new bath sponge. It's just a really nice purple one. It has all these different shades of purple and some white in there. And it's from the April Bath and Shower brand. I needed a new nail brush, so I got the hot pink one this time. Comes with 2 in there from Sassy and Chic. So grab that up. I got some Secret deodorant because it's name brand and I needed deodorant. I got a couple, well first we'll just do the random stuff too. Hand sanitizer. I'm always needing hand sanitizers, so I grabbed that up. And the next few items I'm going to share with you, there will be upcoming Dollar Tree reviews on these products. I went on the hunt just to find some new stuff that I possibly could do reviews on for you guys, and I found these. So I have the dry shampoo. It's comparable to Dove. I don't know about all that, but we're going to give this a try. I do have dark hair, so I am kind of interested to see if it's going to make my hair kind of look powdery and white grayish towards the roots. We'll see. So I'm excited to try this and share with you guys my finds. And the next 2 items will also be in the Dollar Tree reviews. The Daily Defense. This is enriched with coconut oil, moisturizing, hydrating shampoo. I also got the conditioner. These are 16 fluid ounces each. I'm not the biggest fan of Dollar Tree shampoos and conditioners, but we shall see. And I really wanted to try this because it's coconut oil. So we are going to review those. The next item will be a little small review as well. And this is 18 ounces, and it's the coconut shea butter scented body wash. I don't know, I was just kind of intrigued by this. It says you get 28% more. It smells good like coconuts. I'm a huge fan of coconut, and it's just pretty in general. So I saw this, I grabbed it, and yes, so we're gonna have some spring Dollar Tree reviews coming up. Then of course I found some makeup items. I found this really beautiful Revlon nail polish. And it's like a silver glittery polish. And this is diamond texture. It's just a silver glitter, but it seems to be pretty finely milled with some chunkier glitter, silver glitters in there as well. And this is going to make a beautiful top over an already silver polish, over anything really. But I'm a big fan of silver. I wanted this. And I randomly stumbled upon this, and I'm hoping that it will be great. I went back and double checked to make sure I couldn't, I was hoping I could find a black. But this is a Bonnie Bell eye mascara, and it's in plum. So we'll see about this as well. It is tinted, you can tell. It does have a weird smell to it though. The last makeup item I did grab is a LA Colors contour stick, and this one is in medium. They didn't have any other lighter shades. They did have these in bronze and dark and medium at my store. So I've never had a contour pencil before. I always use powder, so kind of was intrigued. Oh yeah, it's not going to be too bad for my skin tone. It's actually pretty nice. Oh yeah. I also already have their highlighter stick. So, yeah. The bronze one was like super shimmery and stuff like that. So, I did not grab that one. And last, I did find some awesome new candles. And I'm going to share those with you. And that is basically it. That's the haul. I got 2 Old Williamsburg mason jar candles. And this one's in coconut leaves. Kind of smells coconut-y with a hint of something else. But I don't know. It's really nice. These jar candles usually are pretty great. The next one I grabbed is Sun Drenched Mango. These are the only 2 I found. And yes, that one smells like mango. They're pretty colors as well. And I found another cupcake candle. I was disappointed in these candles, but this one, oh wow, did you see that? Anyways, this one smells really good. It's birthday cake. It smells just like a vanilla kind of birthday cake kind of scent, you would think. And of course, cute packaging. But I thought I would give this one a try because I really like the smell of this one. And even though the others really didn't work all that great out. Anyways, that's all for my Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully it makes you want to go out to the Dollar Tree and shop for yourself. They had tons of new items, tons of Easter stuff. I looked through all that stuff. I didn't see anything that really just grabbed my attention that I really needed or wanted. I had a bunch of wish list items, didn't find hardly anything. But I'm excited to be doing some reviews and some other exciting things for you guys as well. So stay tuned for more Dollar Tree hauls, Dollar Tree reviews, and as always, don't forget to check that description box for additional Dollar Tree links. Thank you always for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any other upcoming Dollar Tree videos.